Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what is hands down the best manual 24-inch tile cutter on the market. The Vevor 24-inch, 600mm manual tile cutter with double rails, brackets, and precise laser guidance. Whether you're a professional tiler or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, tile cutting needs to be precise, clean, and quick. And that's exactly what this Vevor tile cutter delivers. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a robust, compact design made from premium aluminum. This isn't your average flimsy tile cutter, it's built to last. The high-leverage aluminum frame feels solid and durable. And its double rail structure adds extra stability during cuts. That means more control, less wobble, and a longer lifespan. The rubber base underneath ensures the tool doesn't slip during operation, giving you a safe and steady experience even when working with larger tiles. Now let's talk about cutting performance. The Vevor cutter features a super hard alloy cutting wheel. It's capable of smoothly slicing through tiles with a cutting width between 35 to 600 mm, and a max cutting thickness of up to 15 mm. That makes it ideal for most ceramic and porcelain tiles used in kitchens, bathrooms, and floors. The wheel glides over the tile effortlessly, and you really feel the engineering precision here. One of the standout features is the precision laser guide. With the laser switched on, you're no longer relying on just your eyes and hand alignment. The beam helps you make straight, accurate cuts every single time. That's a massive plus when you're working on large tiling projects where precision matters and time is money. Another smart design touch: the ergonomic anti-skid rubber handle. It's comfortable to grip, reducing hand fatigue during long cutting sessions. Add to that the movable side brackets. They support larger tiles and help you make consistent cuts in a variety of sizes, perfect when dealing with non-standard formats. And if you're wondering about stability during the actual cut, the twin fixed screws that anchor the dual rails keep the cutter head stable. This ensures a smooth and accurate cut with no side-to-side wiggle, even when you're working on harder tiles. Setup is straightforward and the user manual is clear enough for beginners. The entire tool has a professional-grade feel but doesn't intimidate. Plus, it's not too bulky to move between job sites, making it ideal for contractors who need portability without sacrificing performance. In terms of value, the Vevor cutter punches way above its price point. You're getting features usually found in far more expensive models: a premium build, laser guidance, double rail precision, all in a single unit that won't break the bank. Anyone working on home renovations, bathroom upgrades, kitchen installations, or commercial tiling projects. If you need clean, straight cuts with minimal chipping, this tool won't disappoint. To sum it up, the Vevor 24-inch manual tile cutter combines industrial-grade build quality, laser-guided precision, and user-friendly ergonomics, all in one package. It's reliable, efficient, and designed to help you deliver professional results on every cut. If you're interested in seeing this cutter in action, check the description below. We've added the product link for easy access. That's all for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth product breakdown. See you in the next one.